Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, students? Today we will study unit number 1, building units of the body. It is the second lecture. Today's topic is plant cell and what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Day before we explained cells, tissues, unicellular and multicellular organism and animal cell. Let's look on the previous topics. The first question we studied before in lecture number 1 is what is our body made of? Our body is made up of many different parts. For example, bones, blood, heart, stomach, a pair of lungs, a brain, etc. After that, we explain cell. We explain in the previous topic that cell build living things in a similar way. Cell are the building block of life. They make up living things and perform all the activities needed to keep living things alive. After that, we explain tissues. When a group of cells that have similar shape and function result into tissue. When different tissues combine, it give organ. And when different organ combines, it form a system. And when different systems work together, it it result into a organism. After that, we explain unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular are one cell organism. Those animals are living things which have only one cell, which are made up of only one cell, are called unicellular. Human beings, other animals, and plants are made up of billions of cells and are called multicellular. This is the example of unicellular organism. This is the example of multicellular organism. After that, we explain animal cell. This is the structure of animal cell in which we explain cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, mitochondria, and cytoplasm. This part of the cell, which we already explained, is the outer covering of the cell. It give, it also give the cell its shape. After that, we explain nucleus, which is the control center of the cell and control all types of activities. After that, we explain vacuole, and we explain that it store food, water, and waste substances. After that, we explain cytoplasm, jelly-like substance enclosed by cell membrane. Although organelles of the cells are suspended or floating in it. Now, today's topic is plant cell. Plant cell consists of vacuole, cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, and chloroplast, and another vacuole which is small in size. First, we will explain cell wall. This is the outermost covering of a plant cell, also provides structure to the plant cell. It gives shape to the plant cell. Made up of tough material called cellulose. It support and protect the cell. Cell wall is shown in the figure. Nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, chloroplast, vacuole are inside the cell wall. Means it is the outer covering of a plant cell. Provides structure, shape, R shape to the plant cell. Made from cellulose. Now, vacuole. Plant cells have one large vacuole found in the center of the cell. It is so big in plant cell that it occupies a large space and pushes the nucleus to one side. This is the shape of vacuole. This is vacuole. This is vacuole. This is mitochondria. And this is chloroplast. So vacuole is large in size, found in the center of the cell. It is so big in plant cell that it occupies a large space and pushes the nucleus to one side. Chloroplast. The chloroplast is the organelle that is found only in plant cell. Chloroplast is the organelle that is found only in the plant cell. It contains green pigments called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs the sun energy and helps the plants to make its food. You can see the structure of chloroplast. Chlorophyll is present inside the nucleus. This is chlorophyll. So, in chloroplast is present in plant cell. It contains green pigments called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs the sun energy and helps the plants to make its food. How long does a cell live? Lifespan of a cell. It ranges from 18 years to 130 years. Every cell has a different lifespan. Taste bud cell live for about 7 days. Red blood cells live for about 4 months. And nerve cell lives for 18 to 130 years. So lifespan of every cell is different. The cell which give you information about taste have lifespan of 7 days. Red blood cells live for about 4 months. Nerve cells live for 18 to 130 years, from 18 to 130 years. So lifespan of a nerve cell is larger. This one explain the difference between plant cell and animal cell. This is animal cell and this one is plant cell. You can see the difference. that they are different in shape. They consist of different parts. Let's look at the structure again of plant cell. You can see plant cell, vacuole, cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, and a small vacuole. It explains the structure of a plant cell. We study some of its organelles. We studied cell wall, vacuole, in cell wall, outermost covering of a plant cell, provide structure to the plant cell, made up of tough material cellulose, protect the cell. Plant cell have one large vacuole. It is so big in plant cell that it occupies a large space and pushes the nucleus to one side. Vacuole store food, water, and waste substances. Chloroplast is the organelle that is found only in plant cell. Contain green pigments called chlorophyll, which absorb the sun energy and helps the plants to make its food. How long does a cell live? Every cell have a different lifespan. Test bud cells live for about 7 days. Red blood cells live for about 4 months, and nerve cells live for 18 to 130 years. So different cells have a different lifespan. This explains the difference between a plant cell and animal cell. Now you can see the table in the on the you can see the table on your computer. It is given on page 5, lesson number 1, unit number 1, and the unit name is building unit of the body. You have to do it as a home assignment. The first one is in the first column. In the first column here, it is the serial number. This one, the jelly-like substance found inside a cell, is on first number. What is this? You take an option from this column in which on the top of which choice is written A. You should write A in front of one, B, C, D, or E. You will write the right option, and you can take you can compare column A, this column, with column B also. Whether you compare its number with choice, or you compare column A with column B, it's up to you. For example, I will give you the answer of the first one. The jelly-like substance found inside a inside a cell is it's a D option in your book. It is D option in your book. Here I have changed. I have written it E option. It's cytoplasm. So the jelly-like substance found inside a cell is cytoplasm. So, okay, I will do it. You do its second part, fill in the blanks, is a home assignment. The outer covering of the cell, there is mistake in the spelling. I will correct it. You read it as a cell. CELL. Okay. I will correct it. Sorry for the interruption. It's a cell which allows certain material to pass through it. The outer covering of the cell which allow different material to pass through it. Its option for this option for 2 is option E. Option E is cell membrane. Here the screen which I share with you is D option, cell membrane. For option A, it's cytoplasm. For one, cytoplasm. For the second, it is cell membrane. It is cell membrane. The third one is it is found only in plant cell and contain green pigments called chlorophyll. If you revise the topic, you will know its answer. For third, it's option C, chloroplast. Chloroplast means this one. Chloroplast is for option C, written also in front of option 3. The structure that support the plant cell and gives it protection is option B, for 4 option B, cell wall. And the last one, bubble-like structure found in the cell that is filled with food, water, and waste material is option A, vacuole. So this is your assignment that I have done for you. Now you will do fill in the blanks on page 5 as a home assignment. If you feel difficulties, you can ask the question, or you can WhatsApp me your question. Now you will day before I give the assignment to you, they draw the cell structure of animal. Now you will draw the cell structure of plants, or you will draw plant cell, structure of plant cell. It's your two assignment for today. One is to draw the structure of plant cell, and the other one is fill in the blanks on page 5. This is, you got two assignment for today, and you will do it at your home, and you will WhatsApp me. If you feel any difficulties, you can ask